Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. So today I've come to Prestige Shantiniketan Mall. So today I'll be showing you all the best items which you can really pick from Miniso. So Miniso has great stuff which I really love. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the entrance of Miniso, which is located in Prestige Shantiniketan Mall. So as soon as I entered the place, I really loved this beautiful blue tiny sling bag. So coming to the prices in Miniso are not very expensive or not very cheap. They are quite affordable, but I really love all the collections from them. So it starts at rupees 50 and it ranges from 2000 to 3000, but all the items are really worth for its money. They also have these beauty products which I really love. Just look at the beautiful flawless lip colors. I really love all the shades from them. So last time I bought a beautiful lipstick from Miniso and it still works great, and it was somewhere between 100 to 150. They have bunch of hair bands which are very reasonable. I would suggest you all to please come to Miniso. They have lot of beautiful products. It might be beauty or home decor, water bottles, handbags, earrings. They have lot of collections. Just look at the beautiful collections. So this is for rupees 360. It is quite expensive. So though the prices are quite expensive, you can really pick it up. It is very beautiful. So Miniso is there in almost all the places in India. In Bengaluru, they have lot of branches. They also have it in many places and many states. You please check out. You will definitely find the best Miniso store nearby to your place. You name it and you find everything over here. I love all the collections. Either it might be stationery, home decor, jewelry, accessories, anything. I really love the collections. They're very unique and they're very different. You don't find the same kind of stuff in any other stores. So Miniso is the best place where you can really go and afford. So this time I bought couple of items from Miniso which I will be making a haul. I would please request you all to please watch the video because this video might be helpful to many people out there, and do watch my hauls. I make great haul videos. And the one product which I really swear by from Miniso are these cool water bottles. I really love the collections from them. And in water bottle, they have lot of varieties. I bought so many water bottles from Miniso and I still use them a lot. I use it to my gym, to my office, to home. I use it everywhere, and I bought it 2 years back and I still use it. They're very beautiful. And if you really want to invest on a nice storage boxes, you can come to Miniso. They have different sizes from smaller one to bigger ones. If you have a small place at your home and if you want to invest on a really good storage boxes, you can come to Miniso and then pick them up so that you can save lot of space at your home. So just look at this beautiful shower cap. They are very beautiful. They have it in different colors. So this one is a beautiful hairband. Sometimes you see on Instagram that bloggers keep wearing these beautiful hairbands, and all those are from Miniso. You can come here and then pick it up. So this one is a soap holder which is for rupees 140, and this one is a very nice product. Miniso also has this beautiful flats which you can really buy. So I would suggest you all to please come to Miniso and then visit the store. You will get to know what all you'll get in this place. So they have great varieties in socks. So buy two pairs, it's just for rupees 90. They have it in different colors. So I bought these beautiful pink socks which I'll be showing you all in my haul. So please do watch my haul. So they have a lot of collections in makeup organizers and mirrors. Please do check it out. So some more pouches, wallets and many more, you name it and you find each and every item from Miniso. They also have these beautiful headphones. So now coming to my favorite section from Miniso are these beautiful face scrub which is just for rupees 160, and they also have this very affordable face mask which is just for rupees 60, and you have to please invest on the face mask. So now this is just going to be the quick overview of the Miniso store. So that is it for today's video. I bought lot of items from Miniso which I'll be showing you all in my next haul. So do watch it. So I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.